World's top companies handpick MIT World Peace University graduates. 600+ top industry-leading companies visited our campus for placements.
I am Asta Sahai. My name is Rituja Pujari.
My name is D. Mohammad Dilshan.
I am placed in LTIMindtree.
LTIMindtree.
I would like to thank my university, the CIB Department, Center for Industry and Partnership, for providing us with such a great opportunity.
I owe a huge of my success to my university.
In my university, our placement cell is known as Center for Industry Academia Partnership, aka CIAP.
So I'm really grateful to be part of the MIT-WPU University.
And I would also like to thank Dr. Vishwanath Karad as well as Dr. Rahul Karad for providing me 100% scholarship in MIT World Peace University that made sure that I am what I am today.
Unlock your career potential at MIT-WPU.